Welcome back to Checking Out with MFG. Today we are in East Syracuse at the SpringHill Suites by Marriott. Let's check it out. When we first walk into the room, we come into the living room sitting area equipped with a trundle bed couch and a desk work area with ample outlets. The TV situation is a little bit weird where it shares it between the living room and the bedroom area. However, it works just fine. There is a very well equipped coffee area which includes a fridge, microwave, single cup coffee maker, ice bucket, and a cabinet to fit all your needs. The bedroom area consists of 2 queen beds. This room could sleep 6 adults overall fairly comfortably. It is equipped with a clock radio that has 2 USB outlets, but other than that, the outlets in the bedroom area are pretty hard to come by. Overall, the bed was fairly clean and comfortable. Attached to the bedroom is a closet. And it turns out it was hiding a bit of surprise. It is ginormous. Inside the closet you'll find ample hanging area with plenty of hangers. You'll find the extra bedding for the trundle pull-out couch, as well as the ironing board and iron. It even has this neat luggage holder. This room is actually equipped with a sliding window that actually opens so you can get some fresh air and see the great view of the parking lot. In the bathroom area, there's a full-length mirror. Hi! Behind door number 1 is your standard bathroom equipment. A tub shower combo and a regular toilet. The shower is equipped with bulk shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The vanity is a single vanity which is well lit, which is not in the main bathroom area, so 2 people can get ready at once. Thanks for checking out today's episode of Checking Out with MFG here in East Syracuse, New York. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a like and a subscribe so you can stay caught up with future content. Have a great day.